All right, good morning, guys. It's Thursday, finally Thursday. Come on, Friday. We have a Mazda. I think everybody knows what color this is, 46V. And we are panel painting. And the reason we are panel painting is because there were some chips. Just a few chips in the door. With a color like this, it's always proper to feather them out, prime it. We're trying to keep this repair as small as possible. So what I did is I gave it a tight swipe of glaze, let it set up real good, and finish it out with 320 and 600. That way I can keep my base coat really small. That way, when I put my tinted clear on, I can kind of dust a coat of clear here, a second coat of clear, and then one coat across the whole door. If you try to put three coats of that tinted clear on that entire door, it's going to make that door darker than the quarter panel and front door, and you don't want to do that. So you just want to dust your color in one spot, a coat or two of clear in the one spot, and then one good coat on the rest of the door. So as you can see, I repaired the spot, and I will be getting ready to spray it, and we'll do the demo for you. I hope you enjoy. All right, so everybody knows what Danny the car painter's #1 rule is. One is make sure you put on your wet bed, and two is use your tack rags. All right, so I'll put some wet bed down on this thing. I got this couple little chips I filled with some glaze putty to keep the area super small because I'm painting within the door. All right, so we will get some base coat on this turd and get it out the door. If you've never sprayed this color, it can be scary. You start to put that base coat down, you realize, what the hell is that? But it's amazing how much that tinted clear coat, really changes that color. So once, now I got some base coat on it, I'll let it set up, tack it off, and take your red tinted clear and just put one coat over top everything that's got base coat, even where the base coat drifts in a little bit. Go just past that with your first coat of clear. Let it tack off a minute. Second coat on that spot, and on your third coat, you just do the whole door on your third coat. Make sure you put it on pretty heavy. That way, everything's nice and covered. You don't have any dry spots. But yeah, 46V. It's a beautiful color, but a real pain in the butt. All right, this is your additive. That's your clear. With PPG, it's I believe it's VM 4350.